In this video, we listed the 5 best car vacuums that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER Handheld Vacuum. The BLACK+DECKER vacuum and brush is a portable and compact cleaning solution that is perfect for use around the home and in your vehicle. With a 20V max lithium-ion battery, it provides high suction power and performance for optimal cleaning. The cordless convenience allows for easy maneuverability, and the 4-foot flexible hose helps reach from floor to ceiling. The washable filter and easy-to-empty bowl make maintenance a breeze, while the included pet hair brush helps clean stubborn pet hair from carpets, stairs, and upholstery. The compact design makes it easy to hold and store, and the quick charge feature ensures it's always ready to use. Number 2. Eufy Clean HomeVac H20. The Eufy H20 car vacuum cleaner is a powerful and lightweight cordless vacuum designed for efficient car cleaning. With a strong 40 AW suction, it can quickly clean up messes in just one go, leaving your car interior spotless. The included fast in-car charger allows for convenient charging in just 1 hour, while the customized attachments, including a retractable tool, extension hose, and brush head, help to clean every corner of your car. Weighing only 1.4 pounds and equipped with a storage bag for easy organization, the H20 is perfect for cleaning up tight car spaces without tiring your hands. Additionally, it can also be charged at home with a wall charger. Number 3. BISSELL Garage Pro. The BISSELL Wet Dry Vacuum in Stealth Metallic Grey is a versatile cleaning tool for both wet and dry messes in the garage, car, workshop, and more. It comes with 7 versatile attachments and an accessory bag for cleaning bare floors, carpeting, upholstery, and more. With a 4-gallon semi-translucent dirt tank and a wall-mounting kit with an extra long 32-foot hose, this vacuum is both powerful and convenient. It also converts to a blower and is lightweight and maneuverable, making it a practical choice for various cleaning needs. Number 4. Dreame T30 Cordless Vacuum. The Dreame T30 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner by brand Dreame is a powerful and convenient cleaning tool. With a 27 kPa powerful suction and multiple intelligent sensing technology, it can efficiently pick up dust, dirt, and pet hairs on hard floors. The detachable large-capacity battery provides up to 90 minutes of runtime, and the smart screen displays cleaning information and remaining runtime in real time. Additionally, user-friendly designs such as the self-luminous LED flat nozzle and V-shaped roller brush make cleaning more convenient. The vacuum also comes with a 1-year warranty, making it a reliable choice for household cleaning needs. Number 5. Shark WV201BLBRN Hand Vac. The Shark brand cordless hand vacuum features a bagless design with a disc filter type, making it easy to maintain. It is powered by a 10.8-volt battery and weighs just 2.1 pounds, making it ultra-lightweight and maneuverable for easy cleaning on hard floors, upholstery, carpets, and bare floors. The vacuum offers powerful cordless suction with a high-speed, brushless motor and includes a multi-surface pet tool, charging dock, dual onboard accessory storage, and duster crevice tool. The filtration technology captures dust and large debris, while the sleek charging dock provides quick access and fast charging. The hand vacuum also features one-touch emptying, an LED indicator for charging status and remaining battery life, and an ergonomic handle designed for comfortable cleaning and heightened control.